Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Airstream Caravel 20FB, a compact travel trailer that combines iconic Airstream styling with modern comfort, smart design, and a premium travel experience. If you're looking for a trailer that feels luxurious without the size and complexity of a massive RV, the Caravel 20FB is definitely worth a closer look. So, let's explore what makes this Airstream so interesting. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior. The Caravel carries Airstream's unmistakable aerodynamic shape and polished aluminum appearance. Its rounded body gives it a classic identity, while modern details and large windows add a contemporary touch. The compact design is one of its biggest advantages. It is designed for travelers who want the freedom of a travel trailer without stepping up to a much larger RV. The combination of aluminum construction, clean lines, bright exterior details, and the famous Airstream styling gives the Caravel a premium presence on the road. And when you imagine a customized version with a striking green finish, upgraded wheels, modern lighting, and additional exterior accessories, the result can look even more impressive. Interior and living space. Now let's step inside. One of the most impressive things about the Caravel 20FB is how efficiently it uses its available space. Instead of wasting valuable room, the interior is designed around comfort, storage, and everyday practicality. The front bedroom area provides a dedicated place to relax and sleep after a long day of traveling. The living area gives occupants a comfortable place to sit, relax, and enjoy the surroundings. The compact kitchen is designed for life on the road, providing the essential space and equipment needed to prepare meals during your adventures. Storage is also an important part of the design. Smartly positioned cabinets and compartments help keep personal belongings organized without making the interior feel unnecessarily crowded. Travel and comfort. The real appeal of the Caravel 20FB is its balance. It offers many of the comforts people expect from a premium RV, while maintaining a more compact footprint than a large motorhome. That makes it particularly appealing for couples, small families, weekend travelers, and adventure enthusiasts who want to explore new destinations without giving up comfort. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a long road trip, or a peaceful camping adventure, the Caravel is designed to make the journey itself part of the experience. And of course, the Airstream name adds another level of appeal. Its iconic design has remained recognizable for generations, giving the Caravel a personality that is difficult to confuse with an ordinary travel trailer. So, is the 2026 Airstream Caravel 20FB worth considering? If you want a stylish, compact, premium travel trailer with a recognizable design and a comfortable interior, the Caravel 20FB certainly deserves your attention. It offers a great combination of portability, practicality, comfort, and classic Airstream character. For travelers who want to enjoy the freedom of the open road without moving into a huge RV, this compact Airstream could be a very attractive choice. What do you think about the 2026 Airstream Caravel 20FB? Would you choose the classic aluminum look, or would you prefer a customized green version like the one shown in this video? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more new cars, trucks, vans, and RVs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.